What attracted me to TrueAlign was the simplicity. I can have them in 10 days. The timeline with some are up to 3-4 weeks. It can take a month to get your aligners back after you approve your prescription. Well, the patients long since forgot that they even did it, and that's bad. You can scan with any scanner. You can use a Trios to scan it, unlike with Invisalign. Within a couple days, actually within a day, you have your prescription back, you approve that prescription, you've got a 10-day turnaround to where you have aligners in your office. That's fast. The fit of TrueAlign is excellent. I compare it to Invisalign, ClearCorrect, any of those brands. The quality of the actual aligner material is second to none. I've had none of them rip. The patients are really happy with them, and the turnaround time is exceptional. Why pay for the ones you're not using? Having a flat fee on the aligners helps with your treatment planning because you can approximate what that's going to be, and then when you get your treatment plan back, you know exactly what the price is going to be. There's no guessing, so you can be more upfront with your patient. You can present them with a lower price, which helps case acceptance, but your margin is still there. It's a great practice revenue generator, a great practice builder. When you provide some simple, clear aligners, your practice will grow and expand. My advice, start with simple cases in the anterior. Add it to your repertoire, and I think it's going to increase your bottom line and make you happy.